Flip the unit over and remove 12 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and gently slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Peel back the tape, and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Lift up to remove the battery. Replace the battery, and plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover, and push down to snap back into place. Replace the 12 6mm screws.